Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox for you guys one of Target's beauty boxes. So these come out every so often. They don't have like a specific time. I believe that they come out with all different kinds at different times of the year, and they're like $7 plus tax is like $7 and like 15 cents or so. Sometimes I really like them. What I do like is that I can see what comes inside of them, so I can decide if I really want it or I don't. So of course I had to get this one when I saw the box had lips on it, because you know that's my jam, guys. So I got this one, and this is called the Pucker Up box. So it says, the secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with tender love and care, and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we rounded up our faves that'll keep your pout perfectly kissable. And then the first thing that you get in here that is amazing is a $3 off coupon. So you're already getting $3 back from what you invested. That's the way I see it. So it's off of a beauty purchase, obviously, of $15 or more, but you're still getting $3 back. So I like that idea. And then they listed everything that you get in the box. So first thing in here is a lip scrub from St. Ives, and it's in Sweet Passion Fruit. It says it's made with 100% natural sugar. And you always need to have lip scrub, guys. I'm gonna smell this. Oh, it smells really good. You always should have lip scrub. Next thing in here is a lipstick, which I always love, and this is from Milani, and it's the Bold Matte. The packaging is nice with the black and gold, and the color is I Am Confident. Well, this is pretty dark. Am I gonna like that color? Let's swatch it. It's like a reddish, like a chocolatey reddish color, I would say. Like a reddish chocolatey color, kind of. Yeah, like a chocolatey reddish color. It's nice. It actually looks darker than what it swatches, so I think I might like that color. The next thing, I love this, and this is from Soap and Glory, and this is the Sexy Mother Puckers, and this is a plumping gloss. So I'm liking this, and this is in the color Plumps Up. Of course, I don't like plumping things because I really don't need that, as I'm sure you guys can tell. But I like these glosses, and they look so nice. And they're a teeny bit tinted, not too much. So that's the gloss right here. Maybe I should just put some on right now. Hopefully it doesn't start tingling, because I really hate that feeling. So that's that. We still have a few things. The next thing in here is from Burt's Bees, and this is a lip shimmer in Peony, and this is 100% natural. I had never heard of these from Burt's Bees. So let's see how this works. Oh, this looks pretty. So that's what that looks like. Let me see if it swatches some. Oh, this is just like a gloss, but like a more, it's right here. It's kind of like a, let's see. It's kind of like those, this is like a gloss, but oh, this one tingles, definitely. The Burt's Bees one tingles, the lip plumper doesn't. Next thing in here is an organic lip balm, and this is from Dr. Bronner's, and it's in peppermint. We all know what lip balm is, so I don't even need to open that. Oh, and there's two more things in here. This was a pretty good box. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so the next thing in here is a cooling gel lip mask. Look how cute that is. I'm so glad I got this box, because I am loving this. So cute. So you place it in the refrigerator for an hour, or in the freezer for 30 minutes. You place the mask on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. And for best results, use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products. It helps soothe lips and lock in moisture all day long. This is so cute. I can't wait. And then the last thing in here is from Burt's Bees as well, and it's a moisturizing lip mask. And it instantly hydrates and defines lips, and it's 100% natural. And it has meadow foam seed and almond oils. Loving this. So all of this stuff is like you can use all together. I like this box because of that. And everything is lip stuff, which I love. The only thing I'm not liking too much is the Burt's Bees lip shimmer. That thing has my lips going crazy. Unless it's the other lip plumper that started working now, but as soon as I put the lip shimmer on, it started going crazy. So I'm guessing it's that. All right, guys, so that's it for my unboxing of this Target beauty box. I loved it. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked it or if you'll be getting your own box. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.